In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bow tie to coordinate with his Sunday vest. Okay, his vest is on. It is secure. It will not come off. And now it's time to make his little bow tie. I have a piece that is about 4.5 inches long, and it's about 1¼ inch wide. And I'm going to fold my raw edges in on both sides, and I'm going to fold this side over just a little bit more and one more fold, just so I can have all my raw edges on the inside. And then I want to pin that, and this piece is probably a little bit longer than I need, but it's a bit easier to work with a longer piece than shorter. So I'm going to take that to the iron, and since this piece of fabric is so slippery, I'm going to give myself a little help here, and I'm going to do a blind stitch on the seam just to keep it together. And I know I've got this longer than I need, but I just needed enough of it done so that I can deal with it. I'm just going to finish this off with a knot, and I don't really need that, I'm sure. Alright, I'm sure this is long enough. Okay, so I have it stitched all the way across. Now I'm going to form a bow tie, and see, it is too long, so we're going to have to take off a little bit from each end. I'll fold to the center until I find the right size that would be good for a bow tie. Okay, it could be a tad bit smaller. I'm just going to take off just a wee bit more. Fold the two ends. Okay, that looks good. And just in case you would like to know how long that is, it is exactly 1 inch. All right, I have my needle. I'm going to stitch it through the center, just to secure it all together. And then what I want to do is I want to wrap my needle around, pulling pretty tight, so that I can kind of pinch the bow tie right in the middle. And then on the back side, we'll take a stitch or two to secure it. I have a really skinny ribbon that the color is not too bad. I think I'll use that. If you don't have the right color, you can always use a white ribbon. So we'll sew our ribbon to the back of the tie, putting the bow tie in the center of the ribbon. And I'm going to actually be a little easier for me if I just do this, wrap around the bow tie and the strap, and then I'll take a couple of stitches. We shall take his bow tie, and we'll attach it. And I'm stitching the back of the tie onto the bunny, and I am catching the bunny fabric as well. This also hides the string that goes around his neck. And then we can release this pin to put his vest back up where it's supposed to be. And he is finished. He has on his cute little Easter vest. He's ready for church. Thank you for watching, and do check out my other sock bunny video tutorials. I have about a dozen of them. You'll find them on the playlist called Craft Projects, And for whatever part of the bunny that you need help with, if it's the face, if it's the eyes, if it's the ears, the toes, he doesn't have toes. The vest, sweaters, sculpting the arms, whatever it is, there is a video on that playlist that will help you if you need a little extra help. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.